What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at another small batch company here in the US and doing a review on it. So make sure to stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, beard product reviews, tutorials. Today we're going to be taking a look at another beard company. This is another small batch company that is based here in the US. And the name, if you saw the title of the video, the name of the company is AVetsCraft. Alright, so a little bit about AVetsCraft. They were created by a father-daughter duo, Ralph and Aiden Page. They started their small business in 2018 and they're based out of the great state of Florida. All right, so I purchased my bottle on Amazon, and then after I purchased that bottle on Amazon, I stumbled upon them on Etsy. So they have an Amazon and an Etsy page. So when I got closer to doing this review, I reached out to them and asked for a little more information about their company and kind of what they're doing. And so I'm gonna read exactly what Ralph sent to me. He said, "I am a 26-year veteran of the Army, active and reserves." So time out there. Thank you, Ralph, for your service. We greatly appreciate it. "Looking to retire soon. My daughter was just about to graduate high school and did not really have any direction as to where she wanted to go after school. So we sat down and both of us were just throwing out ideas of what the next chapters of our life might consist of. My daughter is an arts and crafts guru on all things that she can think of. So she was like, 'Dad, I can make anything and you have a knack for selling and talking to people. Why don't we open an online store?' And at that point, AVetsCraft was born. We were basically trying out different things and seeing what works." All right, Duke, this isn't about you today. Trying out different things and seeing what works and what people are interested in. Our hope is that we will eventually generate some good side income and be able to put away some for those rainy days. As far as mentioning anything, we are a Christian-based family small business and use AVetsCraft to help support our church and give to the community where we can. You can also mention that we have started allowing the customer to pick the scent of beard oil and giving a little customization to their purchase." All right, so like I said a minute ago, I bought my bottle on Amazon. They're also on Etsy. They have 3 different scent profiles on Amazon, but if you go to their Etsy store, you can customize it. You can get those 3 scents, or you can customize and make what you want. That was what he was talking about with the customization. You can add scents and change up the scent profiles to your liking. Also on their Etsy store, they have paracord items, handmade soaps, and a few other handmade items. Talking to him as recently as last night, he was doing, they're formulating some new products as well. So definitely something to look into. But I will put links in the description below for their Amazon store, their Etsy store, and direct links to this particular product that we are talking about today. So I purchased their oil, the Smokin Man. AVetsCraft beard oil, the Smokin Man. It is a tobacco vanilla scent. Their label, you have ingredients here. You have ingredients, email address, their front part with their scent, and directions. All right, so this is a tobacco vanilla. Now, when you hear tobacco vanilla, there's so many different companies that are mixing those 2 scent profiles into a beard oil. The ones that I've tried personally, when you open bottle, you get either strong tobacco or you get strong vanilla. This one is a perfect mix of tobacco and vanilla straight out of bottle. All right, so comes in the cobalt blue. I didn't mention this. It comes out in the cobalt blue bottle and with the dropper top. The oil is a yellow, and I'm gonna give this kind of the light to medium consistency of oil. Now, something about this oil, like I said, in bottle, I get a good mix of that tobacco and vanilla. But as I've said many, many times, oil is different in bottle versus in your hand and in beard. So we'll do a little bit more. So now once you apply some heat to this, that is when you pick up some pipe tobacco, and the vanilla becomes an undertone. The vanilla becomes an undertone and kind of goes away a little bit. This feels amazing in beard. It absorbs really, really well, and the scent on it lasts, I'm gonna say 4-6 hours. Around 6 hours I could catch a whiff of it, but it wasn't strong. I don't know if that was just I was nose blind to it or if it had just faded out, but scent lasted really well. But feel in beard was amazing. It was on the lighter side of the light to medium, but it felt really good in beard. Now, something about the carrier oils. I did this in some of my earlier videos. I stopped doing it, but then I got a lot of good feedback from it. So these ingredients in this oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sesame seed oil, vitamin E, and essential oils. Now a little bit about these carrier oils. Jojoba oil has antibacterial properties that help control bacterial growth in the hair follicle. It can act as an anti-inflammatory agent, soothing irritated skin, and when used regularly, jojoba oil can control acne. Grapeseed oil, it assists in the production of collagen to improve skin tone and help fight damage from free radicals and prevent acne breakouts. Sesame seed oil helps prevent premature grays, improving circulation of blood in the scalp, and is a natural sun blocking agent. Has a high penetrating properties and works wonders to revitalize damaged hair. And if you're wondering why I'm fending off a dog, he just chewed my leash that I had him tied off with. Wonderful. But anyway, those are the properties of these carrier oils that they include in this, which are amazing. They do wonders for your beard and for your hair. So it felt amazing in beard. This is the only one of theirs that I've tried. They do have another one that I have, but I haven't tried it yet. But definitely check out AVetsCraft. I'll drop links in the description below. Now, something I haven't talked about yet is value. They are selling this 1 ounce bottle of beard oil. Goes for less than $10. You heard me, less than $10. And you can pick it up on either Etsy or Amazon. And the only way it goes more than $10 is if you do the customization on Etsy. That makes it go up a little bit higher than $10, but it's still below market average and a really good price for a really good oil with some quality carrier oils and basically with a good cause too. So definitely check out AVetsCraft on either Amazon or Etsy. I'll drop those links in the description below. If you got any questions about this product or any of the other ones that I've reviewed, drop me comments in the description below, or drop me comments in the comment box below. And make sure to hit that thumbs up button and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless. Today we're going to be taking a look. Go find something to chase. Go find a squirrel.